Hi guys, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I'm doing this just a quick video using my phone. I'm not even home because Hurricane Michael made a mess out of our community. We have no power, no internet, and my data is super slow. I'm currently at Barnes & Noble stealing their internet. Anyway, because I have 9 available codes that will allow you to get a 20% off of the kit that I review. I'm going to have the link of that below. But yes, I would love for you to take advantage of those codes. So 20% off. This is the deluxe kit. This is the one that included the 4 stamping plates, the stamper, the lamp, 6 different gel colors. So yes, you will definitely want to take advantage of that. That it's an item that it's available on Amazon. So if you have Prime, you get free shipping or take advantage of maybe some Amazon reward points that you might have. So so the codes are on as a comment, a pinned comment under that video. So you have to go to that video, check my pinned comment to get those codes. Okay, so I hope you guys take advantage of that. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again next time. Bye bye.